Hello friends, today I will show you how to create a Biolink website for your Instagram or TikTok account. Let's start the video. First of all, log into your Canva account. Type here Biolink website. Right now Canva has 44 templates over here. You can choose as per your requirement, and these are very good if you are promoting yourself. You can use it as your personal profile website, or you can use it for your Instagram or TikTok bio, or it can be used for businesses. For example, if you are selecting, let's say I'm selecting this one. Here you can see that simple, if you change this portion by the company logo, this can be used for any of the business. And if you are making your personal Biolink website, you may use, for example, uh, this one. Here you only need to change this picture by yours and add some of the information over here. For example, I'm changing this picture by this one. So you may use it as your Biolink or for any business Biolink. Here we have created a beautiful Biolink for our TikTok or Instagram. Here I want to tell you one more thing, that these are the places where we add the links. You may paste any of the link you want to. Okay, let's begin our personalized Biolink for TikTok and Instagram. I have selected this one. Now I want to change the image. Let's find out any image. Let's say I have this one. No, it's not suitable. I think this one is better. Okay, यहाँ हम अपना नाम चेंज कर लेते हैं. हम एक फर्जी नाम लिख लेते हैं, समीरा. ओके, एंड ये मुझे कुछ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, ये डिलीट कर लेते हैं. अबाउट समीरा. अच्छा, हम यहाँ पर इसको फुली कस्टमाइज कर सकते हैं. लाइक अगर मुझे यहाँ इसके फॉन्ट्स चेंज करने हैं, तो फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ ड्रॉप डाउन में जाएंगे आप, select any font. If you want to apply to whole sheet, see, this is completely changed. It's totally up to you that whatever you like, change all are changed. You may use different font style in different buttons as per your choice. Okay, for example, I want to change this to, I'm selecting random. Okay, you can choose it by yourself. We can change the color of this. The color option is on the left top. I want to change it. Let's see, I want to change it to this one. Change all white to pink. It is done. The last thing which I want to explain over here is how to add the links over here. First of all, you should have the links that you want to paste over here. Let's say I'm changing this book a session. I want to place a link over here. Press right button. So here I'm just pasting the links. There is a pro tip. See, if your user is clicking here on this reddish area, the link will not work because you have applied it over here in this rectangle box. So you have to select this pink area, the button area, and link it once again. Okay, now select the other one. I'm completing this. How to publish this site? Before publishing, first take a review. It is on the right top corner. See, it will look like this. And if I click over here, it will take me to the link which I have pasted over here.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स शॉर्ट्स यूट्यूब पर बहुत
Right?
ज़्यादा और जल्दी
You can see that if I click on the button, it is working, and if I am clicking on this link, it is again working, right? So this was the thing which I was explaining you earlier. Publish your site. Okay, we are going to free domain. Resize on mobile, we also have checked that. I'm giving a name to this site, Samira Bio. Okay, now continue, and if I check this option, hide my website from search engines, that's mean if anybody is searching on the Google or any of the search engine, my website will not appear to him. And enable password protection, if I want to give any password to my site, so that only those people to whom which I provide the password can see this site only. But I am not clicking on these checks. Let's publish it. This is our site link. Copy it, view website. See, it is like this. I will give you the link of this website in my description so that you can click it and view it by yourself on your devices. Thanks for watching my video. Hopefully you like it. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.
If you like the video, press thumbs up, subscribe, like and share my channel.